Hey, Scribers, I just want to make a video showing kind of how I really love using gunny sacks. There's a bunch of just things that I'm using here that just help me write reports so quickly, and it's workflows that can take a little time to get set up. But let me walk you through this. Let me delete this to kind of show you what I did. So anyway, I was mostly done a little condo inspection. I had to rush out to get to something, so I'm finishing up when I get home. I have a little water damage by the tub. So in the narrative template, I have common observations, and I've got these logic trees of different comments. So I could go down to water damaged finishes, and you can, let's see, down here, you click on that, and then I've got like dry, further evaluate around tub occupant behavior. So that's kind of what I want. And then water damage finishes were noted in the bathroom. I kept this comment pretty vague. And then I've got a little thing about the toilet, which I can just double click on and move that to water stains adjacent to the bathtub tested dry at the time of inspection. And then I have another one. This is often caused by occupant behavior, keeping shower curtains closed. So now I'm like, I'll read the whole thing. Keeping shower curtains closed and well sealed during showering and bathing. Plastic diverters can help prevent water from leaking around the tub. Make efforts to keep this area dry. So, just click, and I've added all the specific stuff. We'll drop these pictures in. Um, and if I wanted to, I could come here and see by the bathtub if I wanted to just be more specific. But again, you see how like if you author the comment water damage finishes in bathroom recommendation repair as needed. So I kept the parent comment incredibly vague, and then all of the little details you dump into the gunny sack, and then I can keep adding stuff. So if I wanted to edit it, I could click edit and add more little options. But this is where I'm really heading with a lot of my report writing these days, is just trying to have these parent comments and use the gunny sacks to kind of fill out all the specific things. It lets you use many fewer comments in your template. And I just think it ends up with a fast workflow and a report that is very specific to the building and not vague. So anyway, I hope this helps. Um, Maybe here, I'll show you how you build one real quick too. Like, so I might do water damage finishes in bathroom. Um, the following items were noted. As needed. So if you want to add a little gunny sack, and we could just repair water damaged finishes. This isn't perfect. I'm just giving you kind of a flavor of how I built this. Just we'll do bold and glue. So, and I like to bold this. So now you've got this parent comment. And so how do you add the other stuff? You put your cursor there and you hit the text replacement button right here. And then we do allow multiple selections and bullets. And now you can make your list of stuff. So you type in here, type in something here, and you just type in whatever you want, and you can just pick and choose anything out of this list, right? So now I can come in here and go click, and choose those things. So, it takes a little time to set up, but it just pays dividends over the long term, because now I can, and again, you don't need to do this. You could just write a comment that water damage was done in the bathroom. I've always wanted to be really specific about what I'm finding, but I don't want to have to rewrite it every time. And so these gunny sacks really let you do that. All right. Hope this helps.